Do you need the webcam for your online meetings on Zoom, Skype, Google Meet, or any other platforms? Do not buy one because you already have something much more powerful than a webcam for free, absolutely free, coming up in this video. What is up guys, I'm Shaq and today we're going to turn our phone's camera into a laptop webcam. I always use my phone's camera when joining online meetings on Zoom and many other platforms for a simple reason. Our phones deliver better quality than most of the webcams out there. Plus, you can choose whether you want to use the front camera or the rear camera. Cool, right? Quality is really important so that you do not look like a CJ on a Zoom meeting. A good quality image is also going to deliver you better editing results, especially if you run some cool features such as green screen, where you can have your presentation running on your background. By the way, if you want to learn how to use this cool feature, watch my previous video on how to set up green screen on Zoom. I've left the link in the description box below. If you find my content useful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss the best tech tips and fixes. And of course, it also helps me growing this channel. But let's get straight to the point. The very first thing you need to do is open up your internet browser and download a software. Do not worry, I've left the link in the description box below so that you can access the exact same website which is currently running on my screen. Click on the left box to download the software. Once it's completed, you need to open up the setup and install it, following the steps carefully. I'll not install the software right now because I've already done the installation. So I'll directly move to the software. Open up the software and a new window is going to pop up, okay? Let's move into our phone. Open up Play Store and download the app called Webcam wireless webcam. Once you're done downloading, make sure that you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your laptop. In this case, I have both my phone as well as my laptop connected to Dave Wi-Fi network. If you do not have a Wi-Fi network, simply open up a hotspot from your phone and connect your laptop into your hotspot. Open the application on your phone and simply copy the IP as well as the port shown on your phone into the software on your laptop and click Start. You will immediately be able to see your phone's camera image on your laptop, which means that you've successfully turned your phone into a webcam. Now open the software where you want to present the meeting. In my case, I have Google Meet. I'll go into settings and I'm gonna change the camera source to the Webcam source, okay? You need to find a way of going to the settings of your software and change this. Start your meeting and you're good to go. Do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss my next video. See you next time.